welcome to Market Ki Baatein. And my name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. So friends, it's time to know what is happening in the market. Markets में क्या हो रहा है, इतना उथल पुथल हो रहा है और लोगों को पता भी नहीं चल रहा है कि हो रहा क्या है. But then that's the way the market is, and that's the way all of us are trying to understand what really is happening. और इसके बीच कई सारे discussions हो रहे हैं, कई सारे analysis हो रहे हैं, and many of us are trying to find out what exactly is happening and how can we participate in the market, right? That's what is the whole agenda here, and welcome all of you. And as people are joining in to this live feed, thank you so much for joining in. And the way we go about in Market Ki Baatein, it's all about what is happening in the market, हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है और उसके साथ हम क्या कर सकते हैं, right? That's what has always been the agenda in Market Ki Baatein. Well, there are other videos where I discuss about other elements, but then in Market Ki Baatein, just like the title says, I am trying to interact with you guys. So hello guys, and today my topic of discussion, आज मेरा चर्चे का विषय है कि ट्रेडर को, okay, what could be very important for a trader, okay, what could be very important for a trader? Could it be commitment? Could it be capital? Or could it be creativity? I'll again repeat. Could it be commitment? Could it be capital? Or could it be creativity? आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि क्या होना चाहिए एक ट्रेडर को के पास, क्या होना चाहिए एक ट्रेडर के पास for him to succeed in the market? It can be a bullish market, bearish market, range bound market. That's perfectly fine. But लेकिन ये तीनों चीजों में से क्या लगता है होना चाहिए? रोहित सेज क्रिएटिविटी. वेरी गुड. कम ऑन गाइस. आप लोग ने देखा है कि हर टाइम जब लोग पार्टिसिपेट करते, आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट करते तो ये डिस्कशन बिकम्स वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. इट्स नॉट अ वेबिनार, इट्स अ डिस्कशन. सो इफ यू गाइस पार्टिसिपेट, इट विल ऑलवेज मेक इट वेरी वेरी एक्साइटिंग. कि आप आपके थॉट्स कहेंगे, मैं मेरा कहूंगा, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन यू आर गोइंग टू हैव सम की टेकअवेज. ऑल राइट. सो Rohit says creativity is important. What about you guys? Creativity, commitment or capital? What you feel is necessary कि एक ट्रेडर को जरूरत है जिसे रखकर वो अपना काम कर पाएगा. He will be able to generate some success from the market. Okay. Creativity gets 2 votes. What about the others? Rohit says all 3 also. Sometimes that's confusing. Okay. What about the others? Shatru says commitment to discipline, study. All right. Commitment gets 2 votes. What about the others? Yeah, guys. Okay. Some people are still thinking कि my question is कि ट्रेडर को क्या चाहिए? अगर कमिटमेंट हो या कैपिटल हो या क्रिएटिविटी हो, what can help the trader survive? Okay. Deepak says patience. Yeah, there are many things, but today I am talking about these 3 things and I'll tell you why also. Okay, what about the others? While others are thinking, let me just touch upon, okay, psychology. So if you take the concept of capital, all right. So अब कैपिटल के बारे में बात करेंगे तो कैपिटल 2 तरीके का होता है. एक होता है फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल, एक होता है मेंटल कैपिटल, जहां पर आप इमोशनल कंट्रोल बोल रहे हो, पेशेंस बोल रहे हो. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल कम अंडर द एरिया ऑफ मेंटल कैपिटल. और दूसरा तरफ है फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल, राइट. सो फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल जो है, द फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल डायरेक्टली रिलेट्स टू द मनी अवेलेबल विद अ trader. So without that money available with a trader, he will not be able to participate in the market. Correct? So वो हो गया फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल, दूसरा हो गया मेंटल कैपिटल. अभी दूसरा जो मैंने कहा वो है कमिटमेंट. सो अगर आप कमिटमेंट के बारे में बात करेंगे तो कमिटमेंट में तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आ जाती है, लेकिन ब्रॉडली इफ़ यू कंसिडर, okay, when you broadly if you consider the concept of commitment, you will see that discipline, following the rules, mindset, all these things, okay, what is the kind of dedication you are having, are you able to follow the rules, plus if you are focused on what you are actually trying to do, so ये सारे चीज़ कमिटमेंट में आते हैं. और जैसे कि अगर आप आज ट्रेड करेंगे कल ट्रेड नहीं करेंगे, सो ये जो फ्लक्चुएशंस है इसकी वजह से भी काफ़ी लोगों को परेशानी हो जाती है, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एबल टू मेंटेन अ कंटिन्यूटी. And because they are not able to maintain a continuity, it becomes very difficult for them to generate a consistent return from the market, right? So what is commitment? Commitment is all about how much focus you are about making money from the market. अगर आप ऐसे आए, आपको बोर हो रहा था आज, टुडे देयर वाज नो ऑफिस, और यू नो देयर सडनली देयर इज अ लॉकडाउन अनाउंस, तो आपके पास थोड़ा टाइम है तो आपने एक्स्ट्रा ट्रेडिंग कर लिए, तो ऐसा जो ट्रेडिंग होता है दैट इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द कमिटमेंट. अगर आपको कमिटेड वे में आपको पार्टिसिपेट करना है मार्केट में, so you got to have that discipline, you got to have your set of rules, you got to have your set of methods, and all those things help you to stay committed in the market. And when you are committed, what you are doing is you are surrendering to something much bigger than you. Why? Because you know that yes, there is something much bigger than you. Just like how you say prayers, you say prayers because you know that there is, आपके ऊपर एक भगवान है जिस पे आप भरोसा रखते हैं, एंड यू वांट टू स्टे कनेक्टेड विथ हिम, and you are seeking his guidance, his blessings, or you are having some coach who is helping you understand the market, understand various kind of process, so you submit yourself to a coach. So that is the commitment which has to come from within, so that will help a trader get better and better, because trading is never कि आपने सीख लिया आपने कर दिया. ट्रेडिंग इज ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग ऑल द टाइम. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने 4 स्ट्रैटेजी सीख लिए और थोड़े पैसे कमा लिए एंड यू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट द मार्केट, आई एम सॉरी, यू आर वेरी वेरी मिस्टेकन, राइट. और तीसरा चीज जो मैंने कहा, ओके, तीसरा चीज जो मैंने कहा कि आई स्पोक अबाउट क्रिएटिविटी. सो आई एम स्पीकिंग अबाउट, फॉर दोज हु आर जॉइंड इन लेट, I am asking the audience what is very very important for a trader. Is it capital, is it commitment, or is it creativity? Okay, I spoke about capital, I gave some idea about how exactly commitment, trader needs to be committed. और अब हम चलेंगे तीसरे पॉइंट पर, which is creativity. So what exactly do I mean by creativity? क्रिएटिविटी का मतलब है कि व्हाट इज क्रिएटिविटी इन नॉर्मल पैरलेंस? इट इज हाउ यू विजुअलाइज योर सेल्फ, हाउ यू आर एबल टू थिंक अबाउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, हाउ यू आर एबल टू इमेजिन समथिंग, राइट? हाउ यू आर एबल टू इमेजिन अबाउट द करंट सिचुएशन or the current environment. And creativity does not always mean drawing. What is drawing? Drawing is something which you are visualizing. You are connecting with something. So in the same way, markets require us to be creative. This is something which nobody actually thinks about. But every day is not the same day. Why am I saying that? क्योंकि every day breakout trades नहीं चलने वाले, every day pullback trades नहीं चलने वाले, every day it's not going to be a range bound. So what exactly are you doing? You are trying to adapt yourself, and market is one of the greatest places of creativity. And why am I saying that? Because a trader needs to understand that if I have to get inside the market and if I have to make some money, I have to be creative. If markets are going to give me a pullback opportunity, so I should be using my pullback strategies. If market is in a breakout mode, I should be using my breakout strategies. If market is in a range bound mode, I should be looking at my range bound strategies. And that way, I can ensure that I am applying the right kind of strategy. क्योंकि आप जितना भी कमिटेड रहेंगे, जितना भी कैपिटल रहेगा आपके पास, जब तक आप थोड़ा क्रिएटिविटी क्वोशंट नहीं डालेंगे मार्केट में, जब तक आप थोड़ा क्रिएटिविटी क्वोशंट नहीं डालेंगे मार्केट में, आप मार्केट के साथ कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. बिकॉज मार्केट इज अ वेरी वेरी डायनामिक प्लेस. प्लीज रिमेंबर, मार्केट इज अ वेरी वेरी डायनामिक प्लेस. एंड जस्ट लाइक any sports person, everything is clear, right? Everything is clear how the rules of the game have to be played, but then how you played on that particular day is always different. In the same way, when you are getting inside the market, you got to become a little creative, and a trader cannot be very fixated कि मैं यही स्ट्रेटेजी अप्लाई करूंगा, मैं ऐसा ही करूंगा. So आप कर सकते हैं, no problem, but then market may not be in a mood for that. So you got to be dynamic. आपको देखना है कि कौन सा पत्ता आज मैं फेंकूं, क्या होगा उसमें, क्या इस स्ट्रेटेजी में मेरा सक्सेस मिल पाएगा. So that way, when you start coming to the market with some bent of creativity and try to adapt, you will see that your results will start making a difference in a positive way. Why? Because you have chosen to be creative. You need not change your approach 360 degrees, but 180 degrees. But you got to understand that market is about how you are able, okay, how you are able to look at the market, connect with the market, and eventually यूज द राइट काइंड ऑफ अप्रोच. मार्केट्स में सिर्फ स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं होता है, स्ट्रैटेजी के पीछे जो काम करना पड़ता है, विच इज योर फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल रहने दीजिए, मेंटल कैपिटल रहने दीजिए, उसके साथ अगर आप क्रिएटिविटी क्वोशंट भी आप थोड़ा अप्लाई करेंगे, सो यू विल बी एबल टू सी दैट द वे यू आर गोइंग अबाउट योर मार्केट प्ले इज वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. So how many of you are able to connect with this creativity part? आपको लगता है ये एक्सप्लेनेशन के बाद आपको लगता है कि क्रिएटिविटी जो है आपको फर्क पड़ेगा, और यू फील दैट क्रिएटिविटी मे नॉट बी दैट मच effective? What do you guys feel? And what about the guys who are joining here now? You feel that commitment and capital is more important than creativity? Yeah guys, what do you guys feel? आप लोगों का क्या ओपिनियन है, and what do you guys feel about these three things? Commitment, capital and creativity. Three things that I feel a trader should have. You may have all, you may have some, but especially in 2021, I have seen that it demanded a lot of creativity, because the way the markets, it can be the fall of 2008, it can be the fall of 2011, it can be the fall of even 2018 or 2020. The way the markets fell and the way the markets have rebounded, everything required us to become more creative. And once that creativity is created within you, automatically you will see that as a trader you will start using your resources much better. सबके पास resources है in all forms, be it financial capital or mental capital. It is just that we are sometimes very rigid. और जब आप rigid रहेंगे तो markets में पैसा बनाना भी थोड़ा difficult हो जाएगा. So that's where every trader has difficulty. They get into some roadblock, and that becomes a bigger challenge for them than actually making money from the market, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you guys, and I would like to ask you all कि ये जो तीन elements है, creativity, capital या commitment, उसके बारे में आपके कोई सवाल है तो I am happy to answer them, because these three things are very very critical. All three elements are important, because all three elements help a trader balance his trading career and also balance his trades as well, right? If you guys have any questions, you can shoot it out. I'll be more than happy to answer them, because the whole concept of market ki baatein is not just talking to you about any particular trade. It's also talking to you about other elements which help you trade better. Market ki baatein is focused on making you a great trader so that you can make consistent return from the market. We keep sharing a lot of information, and if you have not visited our YouTube channel and if you're coming to this feed for the first time, you can go and take a look at this YouTube handle. You'll get to know more, and I believe that all of you have got some insights, and that'll be all from my side. Thank you for joining in. If you liked what I have shared on this video, you could share it with your friends. You could leave a like on this video, and also comment on what I have shared. Yes, we'll be speaking something about success, what are the key elements of success, etc. in the future sessions. So whenever we have a post on Market Ki Baatein, do join in our Instagram handle, join in on our YouTube channel, and you'll get to know more about yourself, and you'll get to know more about how the whole concept of market has to be played. Market is not just about buying and selling. It's about how you approach it holistically in all the areas, right? Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you, Rohit, for your regards, and we'll stay connected. Do share my videos with as many people as possible. Do also, if you like it, you also save it, because these kinds of interesting thoughts need to keep coming in, because आज के ज़माने में trader has to be a more informed and aware trader. अगर आप खाली कोई इन्फोसिस का रिजल्ट आया है, अब मैं क्या करूं, ऐसे मोड में रहेंगे तो फिर आपका कुछ नहीं बनना है, आपका मार्केट से पैसा नहीं बनेगा. आज के तारीख में एक ट्रेडर को ज़्यादा सोचना चाहिए, क्योंकि मार्केट इज इवॉल्विंग वेरी फास्ट and it will continue to evolve very fast, and that's what I have learned. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Thank you for connecting. Catch you again in the next Market Ki Baatein episode. Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.